I wish someone told me this sooner. Most people just leave their money sitting on the sidelines. They either toss it into a savings account or throw it into their retirement account, earning only a few percentage points. I'm here to share with you a way to earn a safe and secure double digit return without having to do anything. It's called private lending. You can deploy money into very inexpensive properties through investors like me. Now, even though the money never goes directly to me, it goes straight into the property. You sit back and watch your account grow. You get stable fixed payments for 60 months. If you're interested in learning how to become this incredible thing called being the bank, you could call me. The number's 516 666 5838.